Hello everyone, this is free daily current affairs test. Please try to answer these questions. The first question: which of the following statements are not correct? UN has its own military force and having the standing force with more than 10,000 army personnel. The UN has been deploying military personnel for service in peace operations since 1948. One only, two only, both one and two, neither one nor two. The answer is the answer is one only, not correct. Statement two is correct. The question is not correct because UN has no own military force. Um, but it does deploy peacekeepers to areas of conflict. The UN can only deploy military personnel when there is a UN Security Council resolution authorizing them to do so. The Security Council will say how many military personnel are required, and UN headquarters will liaise with the member states to identify personnel and deploy them. And the military, they will have the blue helmet. Okay. Which one among the following states in India has very short distance from the Bangladesh than others? Jharkhand, Arunachal, Odisha, Sikkim. The answer is among these, very close is Jharkhand, even than Sikkim, because Jharkhand, which extends up to the narrow neck of the northern West Bengal, and immediately after the neck, Bangladesh will be the Jharkhand. And the issue was the migration of the Bangladeshis into the Jharkhand Santal area. That is the issue. In this map, you can see this. The Jharkhand part near the neck part in the West Bengal north. So that is the border of Bangladesh. But Jharkhand separately, it has no international border. West Bengal only has border, but it is very nearer to the neck region, Pakur district. National Commission on Scheduled Tribe report claims that the Muslim population in Pakur district had increased in the last 10 years, and they are saying that the demography of the region has changed. So this is in the issue for the last 2 weeks. Okay, and you can see the map. Sikkim is slightly in the north, and it has huge gap between Bangladesh and Sikkim. Which of the following statements are correct regarding the auroras? Auroras are usually spotted in the high latitude zones of the Earth. Auroras are formed due to coronal mass ejections from the sun. Aurora's occurrence can be seen only when sun, moon, and earth are in conjunction. So the answer is Aurora australis and Aurora borealis. The statement number three is wrong. It is not related to the conjunction of sun, moon, and earth. The auroras are uh, formed due to the mass ejections from the sun, actually. So one, two are correct. So the magnetic field of the earth attract those electromagnetic radiation towards the polar region, and it reacts in the thermosphere region, and it looks like the green and red color clouds lights. Okay. But the issue is recently in Ladakh region, the auroras were found. Uh, the Ladakh's recent sightings of aurora marked by reddish or greenish light in the night sky and usually observed in the far northern region is a validation of efforts in space weather monitoring. A team of astrophysicists that predicted the activity about 48 to 72 hours prior, and previously May 11 this year and in November and May 2023 the same event occurred in Ladakh. Right. Then, in meteorology, Doppler radars can reveal speed of the cloud movement, direction of the cloud movement, characteristics of the storm occurrence. Answer is one only, two only, one and two, and one, two, and three. So all these statements are correct. Doppler radars can reveal all these. So it can reveal how fast a cloud is moving and in which direction based on how the cloud's relative motion changes the frequency of the radiation striking it. So thus, which can. Okay. So using these two data, the characteristics of the storm can be assessed. Okay. NASA and ISRO are currently developing NISAR. It is a satellite launch vehicle, a satellite, a research station in Antarctica, a nuclear research center. So it is, NISAR is a satellite actually. So N and I is NASA and ISRO. SA or satellite. This is synthetic aperture radar. So NISAR. Okay. So it will use radar imaging to produce a high resolution map of the Earth land masses, and it is currently expected to be launched on board an ISRO GSLV Mark III to rocket in 2025. And the bulk of it borne by NASA. It was in the issue. Then Shia sects of religion Islam is majority population in which one of the following countries? Pakistan, Saudi Arabia, Azerbaijan, and India. So answer is Azerbaijan. Because last week, 2 days ago, in the northwest Pakistan, the conflict occurred between the Sunni and the Shia sects of Islams, and that have claimed hundreds of lives over the years. In the world, Sunni Muslim is the majority population. Iran, Azerbaijan, Iraq, Bahrain are the countries where Shia Muslims are majority of the population. Okay. The separatist group Baloch Liberation Army belong to the country Iran, Pakistan, Myanmar, India. The Baloch answer is Pakistan. In the southwest Pakistan, in the Balochistan region. They are struggling for the autonomous region in Pakistan. So the Baloch Liberation Army in the Pakistan region. In the map, you can see this clearly. And another one issue is the Chinese premier inaugurate operations at Chinese-funded airport in Pakistan, Balochistan province during his visit. And in the Gwadar, already Gwadar port is developed. The Gwadar International Airport has been pushed back for a security review. An attack was done by the Baloch Liberation Army. Separatist militant group, the Baloch Liberation Army, claimed responsibility for this attack, which it said had targeted Chinese nationals and including engineers actually. So it was in the news. So evaluate your current affairs preparation daily using the free daily current affairs test available at www.geotemy.in, and be productive in current affairs preparation. Save your time by taking daily test. Thank you all.